There are so many TV shows on right now that make DIY home improvement look so darn easy. But have you tried it yourself? And was it a success or was it a home remodel failure? I'm Suzy Valentin with Century 21 Now Realty, your Southern California Realtor, bringing you real estate news you can use. Welcome to another video. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in real estate, home improvement advice, home selling tips, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss a thing. What is your favorite do-it-yourself home improvement show? There are so many out there, but they have one thing in common. They make home remodeling look so darn simple. But did you know that nearly 2/3 of homeowners who attempted a do-it-yourself home remodel regretted not calling an expert on at least one occasion? Do you know why homeowners decide to do it themselves? Yep, you guessed it, it's to save money. On average, homeowners hoped they would save 60% off costs if they did it themselves. Homeowners have attempted 8 home remodel projects themselves, and 1/3 admitted they had to call a professional to redo the job. Hope that wasn't you. The most regretted do-it-yourself home improvement project was installing floors, especially in the master bathroom. 55% of DIYers thought that their project took longer than anticipated. Also, 55% of homeowners that did DIY projects themselves were not satisfied with their results. Oops. My husband, Alex, and I, we're pretty handy, but even we know our limits and we know when we should or shouldn't call a professional. Have you attempted any do-it-yourself home improvement projects, like painting, installing tile floors? Please let me know in the comments below. I want to hear it all, the good, the bad, and the ugly. If you want to learn more about your real estate market, home selling advice, and home buying tips, then make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up and share it with a not-so-handy friend thinking about do-it-yourself home remodeling. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.